Schedule 1 might initially appear to be a model for the illicit drug trade. However, since only a real cook can make substances with a variety of effects, some of which can be very humorous, it is essentially a cooking simulator. Take the zombie drug, for instance. Do not be concerned about making a deadly zombie virus that will cause the world to end. The unique effects of your products are temporary, even though they might be addictive. Both how to cure zombified customers in Schedule 1 and how to make the zombifying drug are covered in this guide. You must first understand what Schedule 1 zombies are. Being like the Walking Dead is essentially a transient effect, even though the person still interacts with others as usual. In order to create a zombie in Schedule 1, you must, as you might expect, create a product that will have a unique effect. There are several ways to accomplish this, but the simplest is to mix green crack with a few rather contentious ingredients. Fortunately, this plant's seeds are unlocked at a fairly young age. Like others, you can purchase them from Albert Hoover. You will also need a lot of batteries and gasoline. Additionally, the first is readily available in stores. Batteries are also unlocked at a late hour. Therefore, you can use console commands to obtain batteries in Schedule 1, specifically for this recipe if you do not want to wait. Once you have everything you need, proceed to the mixing station and do the following. Combine gasoline and the green crack plant. After that, mix the resultant cannabis with batteries. The only thing left to do is grab your new zombifying product. Put the zombie drug up for sale to witness the effects for yourself. But share a little with your dealers if you want the whole city to go zombie. It is much simpler than you might think to cure people in Schedule 1 of the zombie effect. Players can wait instead of looking for a special cure, as is usually the case. The only way that zombifying is different from other effects is in the way that NPCs react, so eventually the zombies will just become regular people. Offering the zombie something else from your inventory that does not have the zombifying effect will expedite this process. The effects of the current item will take the place of the ones that came before it when it is consumed. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn that notification bell on to get all future updates.